things that you forgot when you were younger, that all of a sudden it's like, oh yeah, wind blowing through my hair. Remember that? Like most men, you have a full head of hair and it starts, reducing and falling out, and you wonder what you can do about your option. It's not a matter of confidence. It was just a matter of bummer. It was just like, I'm gonna look like my dad when I get older. There was so much hair loss, and it's either you live with a bad comb over. On windy days, it looks horrible. So I decided I was going to seek my options here at Dr. Quatela's office. 2 scalp reductions, a transplant, and I have 1 more to go.
A guy like this has tremendous scalp laxity. I mean, even after 2 scalp reductions and several FUT procedures, he still has scalp laxity. And he's the ideal candidate for scalp reduction to enable you to get the coverage. So basically, you reduce the real estate that you have to cover by removing the scalp, therefore enabling the remaining hair to cover what you have left. And in this case, we're going to be able to cover his entire head. It makes me feel great. Better, it makes him feel great.
I don't look like my father and my brother. They're excellent, great results. I'm very happy with this outcome. I'm actually ecstatic with this outcome. It's been a great journey. It's really fun driving the convertible again.